Hey, what's up guys? We're here at the salvage yard. Man, I really enjoy going to salvage yards, but I'm gonna go here and check it out. Alright, so here is I want to say it's a 2000s maybe? Anyway, we're gonna get some parts off this car. I already have some things that I need for the black 97. Trim piece for the door. These are okay too. So I found some good stuff and we're definitely installing this, so stay tuned for that video. In today's video, all I'm going to be doing is replacing the sun visor. So I kind of broke the sun visor and then my wife finished breaking it. So this is also broken right here, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and get this going. Once you do this, you just pull this out and it reveals this right here. And this is just simple, you take it off and then it's good to go. Replacement, not my most desired replacement, but yeah, it's gonna have to do. In there, you're gonna put this first. You're gonna turn this way. You're going to go ahead and put this screw right here first. And then, so once you do this, just turn this carefully. And now we can get the other one. Just don't over tighten them because this can end up breaking as well. So do it snug. This is simple. You just pop this back in place. So that's why I didn't show this. And there you go. And yes, it's broken a little bit, but this is gonna hold me through until the new one arrives, because this is a cloth one and this is a leather one. So this light turns off. I already tried it. There you go. Now what I'm gonna do for this right here is I'm gonna have to 3D print one because this one's not gonna work. So this is pretty old. So just the way you see this falling apart on this Beamer, every other plastic part falls apart. So I'm gonna put the replacement. This one I do have an original, and you can tell it's original. All you gotta do is just put it there, and it's a T20 as well. It's in there. You just put these clips back in, just very carefully, and you push it in. There you go, and that does it. And then also be careful when you do this. These are older cars and older parts. So, and there we go. We have a sun visor again, man. Be surprised. These things come in handy.